about 9 to 12 and think about what I'm going to say, because they're all going to be the same.
Yeah.
I might even write some notes.
Yeah.
Hello and welcome to MPM418, Strategy and Project Management. All right, start. All right. Hello and welcome to MPM418, Strategy and Project Organisations, Week 8. So far we've looked at strategy and how it fits in a variety of organisations and sectors, including public, private and not-for-profit. We've looked at the process of strategic management. We've looked at thinking strategically and using systems thinking. We've looked at environmental analysis, strategic planning, strategy implementation, the linkage of strategy to projects, strategic and project measurement and evaluation, and how organisations deploy project management strategically. So this week, this lecture 8 or week 8, is going to really build on the fact that you've now got a really good deep understanding of strategy and its relationship to project organisations, but also to projects. And we're going to focus this week on the subject of competency in the context of strategy and in the context of project management. So we're not just talking about organisational competency generally, although that will come into our discussion this week, but we want to focus on project management competency. Now you might ask, why are you including this in a strategy course? This is more like an education subject in talking about competency, deeming people competent or not yet competent. Sounds more like a vocational educational foray. But indeed it's not. Well, there's actually a strong relationship here, given that strategy is implemented through projects and that project management is the tool of choice for making sure those projects that we've chosen achieve the beneficial change they are intended to achieve. And so then, it follows that projects must be managed well in order to achieve strategy implementation. If projects fail through incompetent project management, then the whole strategy implementation is not achieved. All right, that's as simple as I can make it. So we're going to view competency in 2 dimensions. Dimension 1. We're going to look at organisational competency, and you're going to do some research on that in the literature. The capacity of teams, groups and organisations to manage projects well. Then dimension 2, we're going to look at individual competency, the capacity of individual project managers to excel in project management. And what I want to do is to propose a definition of competency in the context of strategy realisation and project management. I want to propose relationships and develop relationships between the development of competency and organisational strategy in project and non-project organisations. Critically reflect on the relationship between general management and project management skills. Research and critically evaluate training alternatives for the development of management competency. Examine the relationship between organisational and individual competency, project success and strategy realisation. So this is quite a different week, a little bit different angle, but I'm sure you'll enjoy the topic as I have enjoyed teaching it for many years now. It's all about competency, organisational competency and individual competency in project management. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.